As usual, I would be grouping the given question. The question is a quadratic equation and we are expected to factorize it. So I have a group here. I call it as group 1 and then group 2. So from group 1 I can take x as a common factor, and that leaves me with x positive 5. For x multiplied with x would give me the first term, and x multiplied with 5 would give me the second term. I see the presence of a sign positive, I place it. Now between the quantity 2 and 10, the only number which could divide 2 and 10 would be the number 2. So I place a 2 and I open a parenthesis, and that would leave me with x positive 5, because 2 multiplied with x would give me 2x and 2 multiplied with 5 would give me 10. And now clearly I see x positive 5 and x positive 5 as a factor. So x positive 5, when it is a factor, the term that I see here is x followed by a positive sign, and the term that I see here is 2. So clearly this is my final solution. For question number D, as usual, I would be grouping x squared negative 5x to be as group 1, and then negative 6x positive 30 as group 2. Clearly from x squared negative 5x, x can be chosen as a factor. When I do that, I would be left with x negative 5, because x multiplied with x would give me x squared and x multiplied with negative 5x. The sign between the terms is negative. Now between 6 and 30, the only quantity that can divide them or divide both the numbers is the number 6. So having said that, I place the number 6 as a factor, open the parenthesis, and that leaves me with x negative 5, because negative 6 times x would give me negative 6x and negative 6 times negative 5 would give me positive 30. On observation, clearly x negative 5 can be chosen as a factor. So when I take x negative 5 as a factor, I am left with x in the first component followed by a negative sign and 6. So hence the